So we're on Holland America's Noordam, and we are about to check out Cabin 4090, which is a large ocean view stateroom, and this one has an obstructed view. It's on the Upper Promenade Deck, which is deck 4, and it can accommodate up to 2 guests. What's special about this one is it's actually accessible, and this one does not connect with any other cabins. As we walk around, you can see the obstructed view in the background there. You can see what the actual obstruction is. We've got the bed there with the TV in front of it. Here is the seating area. You can see some drinks on the table or desk there, and even though it's obstructed, it's a very big window for an ocean view cabin, so you're getting plenty of light. Keep that in mind. The views might not be unobstructed. You are getting lots of natural light in this cabin. See the cupboards there, bedside tables either side of the bed. You can look at the bathroom. Notice no step. Here's those accessibility features I was talking about. So the chair in the shower, plenty of handrail, adjustable shower head, shower curtain, across to the vanity bathroom sink area, I guess you'd call it. Plenty of storage options. Lots of supporting handrails and low hooks. I don't know if you saw that in the back of the door, but the hooks are low. Here is an accessible cabin. That is Cabin 4090 on Deck 4, Holland America's Noordam. Let me know in the comments below, could you see yourself spending time in this suite? Don't forget to like, drop any questions you may have in the comments. Till next time, keep cruising.